when you really doing things, you have to do more than average. If you really want the results, you got to do more than what the average person is doing, or you could just be average and not get noticed. But it's too many people out there doing stuff to just get away with bare minimum being average. So if you a lot of the clients that I have that found me on the internet, the way they found me is they said some of my clients, like consulting and coaching clients and stuff like that, some of them say, the reason why I found you is because every time I open my laptop, every time I open my Facebook, you were right there. Your video popping up, your picture popping up, your something I'm doing is popping up every time they open up. Every time they get started, they see my post, they see my something I done did. And they was like, and if you can promote your business like that, I'm sure you can help me with mine. They see the stuff. It's not something I went out telling people, oh, I can do this, I can do this for you. I didn't have to do that. They saw it and they found me and said, I want to work with you because I see you doing this. How can I do this too? So when you just finally realize this type of stuff, the you won't have to be pushed so hard. You know what I mean?